This is the elevator at Rembrandt Yard in Boulder, Colorado. It's literally just right in the middle of the street, like outside the sidewalk. This is some old elevator. It looks like maybe Dover. Judging by the door, check with the door, doesn't look like Dover. It's modernized with Innovation Bruiser. Or actually, I think it has Universal on the inside. Yeah, it has Universal on the inside. On the one, here we go down. Actually, I don't know whether it's probably some old third-party hydraulic elevator. That was a very short distance here at one. I don't even know what this place is, like a meeting center, like an event center or something. Don't know what's down there. To 3, there you are. Here, 3. Starts that shaking. Back in the street. I think there's some sort of event center. It's a basic white painted cab with some of the paint coming off. Yeah. There's a fake old tin ceiling here back in the street, or at least I'm assuming it's a fake. Cool if it is actually a tin ceiling. I'm supposing that's gonna be it.